Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Fit automatic car. We'll cover the essential steps to get you on the road safely and confidently. First, we'll look at the gear selector and its various positions. Then, I'll guide you through starting the car and selecting the correct driving mode. Finally, we'll discuss how to accelerate and brake smoothly for a comfortable ride. Let's get started. Let's dive into the gear selector. P stands for park, which you'll use when starting the car and when it's stationary. R is for reverse, so always check your mirrors and surroundings before backing up. N is neutral, useful for brief stops or when the car needs to be moved without the engine running. And D is for drive, your primary mode for moving forward. Understanding these is key to smooth operation. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before turning the key or pressing the start button. Once the engine is running, shift the gear selector to D for drive. Release the parking brake, and then gently press the accelerator pedal to move forward. Remember, smooth and gradual pressure on both the accelerator and brake pedals will give you the most comfortable and controlled driving experience. Practice makes perfect. Beyond the basics, always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, usually a 3-second gap. Regularly check your tire pressure and fluid levels to ensure your Honda Fit is in top condition for every journey. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Practicing parking and low-speed maneuvers in a safe, open area will also greatly improve your confidence behind the wheel. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.